cause and effect. If I make this decision, what could happen to me? How many kids walk down the hall and see an opportunity to misbehave and say to themselves, if I do this, this could happen? Wouldn't that be amazing? That's what we're getting at. That's the job we have to do. We've got to figure out how to teach cause and effect. We've got to say to kids, if you do this, this could happen. If you do this, this could happen. That's what you've got to say to yourself every single time you're making a decision. That's called responsible decision making. So if responsible decision making, one of my buzzwords in my building is responsibility, then guess what? For the month of September, we're talking about responsible decision making around responsibility. And that's what I am going to teach that inside, outside, with everything until the kids say to me, I know that's cause and effect. I know that's responsible decision making. I get it. And once they say that to me, my high school kids would say, I'm going to the office now. And I said, why are you going to the office? Well, because I cut school yesterday. And you know, responsible decision making is I got to take responsibility. I'm going to end up getting suspended, so I might as well just go do it now. I'd go, congratulations. Don't do it again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.